Britannica laid down three approaches to aesthetics as follows. So, the first one, it is the study of aesthetic concept or the analysis of language of criticism, in which particular judgments are singled out and their logic and justification are presented. So, meaning the first way is to study the ideas and words we use to talk about art and make judgments about it. So we want to understand why we think some things are good or bad, and we analyze the reasons behind those judgments. So it's like figuring out the language we use to express our opinions about the art. So the second one, it is a philosophical study of certain states of mind, responses, attitudes, and emotions that are involved in aesthetic experience. So, meaning, the second way is to think about how our minds and emotions work when we see or experience something beautiful. We want to understand how we feel and react to art and other things that we find beautiful. So it's like exploring the thoughts, feelings, and attitudes that are involved in appreciating beauty. So the third one, it is a philosophical study of the aesthetic object that reflects the view that problems of aesthetics exist. So meaning the third way is to focus on the objects themselves and why they make us feel a certain way. So we believe that some things in the world have a special quality that makes them stand out and elicit unique reactions from the people. So we want to understand what makes these objects special and why they are worth considering in aesthetic terms. So, so these three approaches involves analyzing the ideas and also the judgments we have about art. So exploring our psychological responses to beauty and also studying the objects themselves to understand their unique qualities. So each approach give us a different perspective and help us to understand the aesthetic in different ways.